Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2005B. Only 28,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. The Silverado seat 6, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Matching fiberglass cap. Z71 off-road suspension. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. The camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Shift and fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Again, only 28,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Up and out of the way for middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's material. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8. 355 horsepower and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates that average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.